incomplete verses I take no thought, nor would I make any frivolous ones. And if I make verses at all, in a year I make one or two or three, and the more there are, they are neither complete nor frivolous. Folly does and foolishness does. He who makes verses of begging, complete nor frivolous, is not any song or Cervantes or Stribord or ALOT. It's nothing but lechery. He who tells tales, he lies, entirely lechery, so that no one would be deceived. He cannot remain complete and pure, for his false faith holds him a fool in his own fantasy. And when Canon Per d'Alvern placed himself in the canonry, he promised God he would be complete. Then he broke himself, for he made himself a foolish jester. Do you think that God is not displeased by songs of such vanity? If sin were mercy, lies would seem truth, and he who lies in his minstrelsy, it is nothing but scorn and vileness. Foolish vanity is paganism. Great praise is paganism. Foolish lies are treachery. He does not seem at all courteous who praises and glorifies himself. So says that one should know oneself, and he who watches this would never overpraise himself. In little gold, a man is wrong when he says more than he should.